welcome back to another video. Daughter's last weekend was my daughter's 16th birthday, and bought her some stuff for her mini bike. So in today's video, we're going to be installing that stuff on her mini bike. Let's get to it so I can show you what all we got. Take it out. There you have it. That's the completed product. Alright, so she's still asleep and her stuff is locked up in her room. Well, it's not locked up in her room, but I don't want to go in there and wake her up. Anyway, as you can see, I've cleaned up the shop for the most part. I went and shoved a lot of stuff in corners. For her birthday, I was trying to make the shop open up. We had the projector up. You know, it's hot. It's already over 100 degrees and it's 9 o'clock in the morning. So we got some tires. I also got her a billet flywheel and a torque converter kit. We also bought a 42 tooth rear sprocket. So the thing gets. So I'm going to set up and start on it, and you guys can follow me through the process. So I'm going to take the engine off. Got the riser plate and everything. Take the engine off, put it on the stand so I can start taking everything apart. Pretty much putting the bike down to the frame so I can take the tires off and all that other stuff. And yeah, we'll go from there. So follow in the process and wait till you see the end result.
2,000 years later.
So I found out why her chain kept popping. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's a bit like right here. Which would make the tire go like this and pop the chain off. So cool. Luckily I have, not by choice, a full donor bike over there that she's already stolen parts from. So that's something else we'll take. But as you can see, she needs tires too, which is why we got those over there. Hopefully these will last a little bit longer. Definitely way more knobby. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. Way more knobby. But yeah, with that being said, message from our short sponsors, I guess. I'm gonna go inside, get some drinks and cool off because it's hot. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sweating. I need AC in here. I need insulation too. But yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back, and it's like 8 hours later. Got that on. I had to shave. This is on temporarily anyway, so I'll just take it back off and show you real quick. Give me 1 second. I had to shave this right here. So it did look like that. And yeah, now it looks like that. And do that for this to fit like this. Of course, it's raining outside. And that's what you hear, at least that's what I hear. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on and update you guys in a minute. I definitely need some type of installation in the shop. So if this video skips around, you know why. I apologize. It's all rain. Anyway, let me get back to it. Alright guys, a new day. It stopped raining. I quit filming. I just went ahead and got it done. It's hot as balls out here. But yeah, so there's the torque converter. It is installed. It runs. The belt smoked a little bit. The video I saw said to just make sure the pulleys are aligned. That belt looks straight. The pulleys look straight too. I had to put a couple of spacers in the back. You can kind of see. Everything looks good. So hopefully it won't explode. I can put the cover on, call it a day. Tomorrow's video is probably going to be the wheels. We'll see. If not, maybe the flywheel. I don't know if I want to put the flywheel on yet or not. It was more of a safety precaution to begin with, but I don't think she's hitting anywhere near the governor. Even though I have the governor bypassed, I'm running a smaller sprocket, so it's not putting as much of a strain on the engine. But with the torque converter, that might change. Not quite sure. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I will put a link in the description of the video that I followed on how to do this. The guy, phenomenal with information. So shout out to him. Can't remember the name of the guy or the video, but I will post it in the description below. Just because, you know, he does it step by step. I just showed you a quick way. He tells you torque specs and all that other stuff. But yeah, so until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Machine.